Good morning, everyone. I am Navneet, the team leader of Quantum Clusters, and today I am here to present our project. Quick question before I start. How many of you have been stuck in traffic and thought, if only my vehicle had wings? Now imagine this. You are late to school or office and traffic is just crawling. Frustrating, right? But here's something much worse. An ambulance with a patient inside stuck in that same traffic. Every second is precious, and those precious seconds are wasted. Sometimes this delay decides whether a life is saved or lost. That's scary. The problem. Let me share a fact. In many countries, thousands of patients every year lose their lives because ambulances can't reach the hospital in time due to traffic jams. Think about it, a patient with a heart attack, a road accident victim losing blood, or a baby who needs urgent care. Even a 5-minute delay can make the difference. Honestly, how many of you have seen an ambulance stuck behind a long line of cars with the siren blaring, but cars simply can't move? How did you feel? Helpless, right? So here's where my idea comes in. What if instead of waiting in traffic, the ambulance could simply rise above the vehicles and move ahead? Yes, my invention is the hydraulic ambulance, an ambulance designed with special extendable legs powered by hydraulics. Imagine this. Traffic is jammed, cars are stuck, bumper to bumper. Suddenly, the ambulance presses a button. It lifts upon strong hydraulic legs like a transformer robot, and it literally moves over the cars without even touching them. Don't worry, it won't smash cars like in an action movie. It's smooth, balanced, and safe. More like a superhero walking on stilts.
Let me explain how the hydraulic ambulance works. First, the hydraulic system. This is the heart of the design. Hydraulics use pressurized fluid to lift heavy weights. Think of a car jack that machines use it to lift cars, but way more advanced. Our ambulance uses this system to rise above the ground level. Extendable legs. The ambulance will have strong, extendable supports on its sides. When needed, they push down and lift the ambulance body 6 to 8 feet above the road, just enough to clear the heights of cars. Wheels and tracks. Once lifted, it moves forward on rails or wheels mounted on the external legs. That way, it walks or glides above traffics. Sensors. Like self-driving cars, it uses sensors and cameras to scan the road. This ensures it doesn't hit on buses, trucks, or bridges. Stability and safety. The inside of the ambulance remains steady even while it lifts, so the patient and doctors inside won't feel a shake. It's like sitting on an elevator. The machine works, but you hardly feel the movement. To put it simply, it's like a spider or robot walking above cars, but instead of catching the flies, it catches the seconds that can save lives. Thank you. Now, I am going to explain what are the advantages of the hydraulic ambulance. First, faster response. No more traffic delays. Ambulance reach hospital much quicker. Second, more lives saved. Each second gain means more chances for survival. Third, affordable compared to helicopter. Helicopters are too costly, noisy, and risky. A hydraulic ambulance is safer and works on normal roads. Inspiring technology. Just imagine the look on people's face when an ambulance calmly rises above the traffic. It will make everyone believe the future has arrived.
Now, I am here to talk about two theories that can be used for the hydraulic ambulance to work efficiently. Lane separation for hydraulic ambulance. Imagine roads divided into two simple lanes, one for the heavy vehicles like trucks, buses, and other for lighter ones like bikes, autos, and small cars. Now, the hydraulic ambulance uses the light vehicle lane. Since the vehicles here are smaller and easier to pass, the hydraulic ambulance can quickly rise above them using its hydraulic system and move forward without any delay. Now, let's see our second theory, smart siren with signal control. In this theory, each hydraulic ambulance has a unique siren frequency. Instead of just being sound, this frequency is picked up by nearby traffic signals. The moment the siren is activated, the traffic lights respond by turning green in the ambulance's direction or stopping other vehicles. This creates a clear path automatically without waiting for human reaction. Combined with this hydraulic lift, the ambulance can move swiftly and safely, reaching patients in record time. Our future vision. Now, today we are talking about ambulances, but tomorrow this technology could be used for fire trucks that need to reach burning buildings quickly, police vehicles that chase criminals without being slowed down by traffic, even delivery vans. Imagine your pizza arriving faster because it skipped the traffic jam. So, the next time you see an ambulance stuck in traffic, don't just feel bad. Imagine it lifting like a superhero, rising above cars and saving lives. This may sound like science fiction today, but remember, even aeroplanes sounded impossible once upon a time. My dream is simple, to make ambulances fly without wings and save lives without delay. Thank you.